Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
Hey, Mike Foster here. It's another Mike Eats the Street. Now we're at Five Guys right here. This place is supposed to be as good as In-N-Out Burger, one of my favorite burgers, so let's go check it out. Of course, there you go.
The little patty for one. We got our cluster salad, cheese salad. Come look at
Oh, wait a minute. You guys are great. All right, take a look at it. Looks pretty, doesn't it? Looks really nice so far. Ooh, look at that. Oh my God, that looks really good. Let's try a bite. Ready? Mike Eats the Street. Here comes the bite. The cheese is delicious, melted perfectly. The burger cooks really good. Let's try some of this tomato. I'll tell you this, it's big. I got grilled onions on that thing. This is a thumbs up, guys. Hold on. Let's take a look at these fries. They're a little darker. Let's try a couple of these. Not bad, but the burger's killer. The fries are okay. Know what I say? Five Guys is just as good as In-N-Out from what I've had today, so check it out. Check out the rest of my videos at Live Life 365 and subscribe to my YouTube channel by the same name, and keep eating the street, guys. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.
Look what else they give you free peanuts here. I got peanuts in a hamburger place. Another reason to come to Five Guys. Thanks, Eddie.